This is how you can cut the soft wispy bangs. You will start your parting like 1.5 or 2 inches from your hairline, and you're going to part your hair towards the end of your eyebrows, and it will look like a one big triangle. Bigger the triangle, thicker your bangs will be. Now you're gonna comb your hair down, and you're gonna make the small triangle sections right in the middle. That is going to be your shortest part of the bangs. I want my triangle to be pretty thin because I want my bangs to be very wispy. Now decide how short you want the shortest piece to be, but go a little longer anyway. You can always go shorter later. Comb the hair down and don't put any tension on the hair. Don't pull it down. I feel like they're still too long, so I'm gonna go a little shorter. Do this at your own risk. I do not want to be responsible for any bad haircuts. Let's move to the side. Comb everything down, and now we have to determine where the longest piece is going to be. I am taking the piece from the very back and measuring exactly where I want it to land. Now we're going to connect the longest piece with the shortest piece. It will be a very steep diagonal line. I am combing down everything nice and neat. Comb it many times as you need and make sure that you see what you're cutting. My shears are pointing up and I'm cutting up. To make them more wispy and get rid of the bluntness, I am lining my shears with the hair and cutting in between the hairs to create space. Let's cut the other side. I'm taking the longest piece from the other side and trying to make sure that they are same length. And now that we have a guide, we're gonna connect the shortest piece with the longest piece. Again, comb everything down as many times as you need. You need to see what you're cutting. Do not pull on the hair and cut up. And then we're gonna do some point cutting to soften the line and make it nice and wispy. Comb everything down to make sure that both sides are even. And now is the time to adjust or go a little shorter if you need to. I left them kind of on a longer side because I know I'm going to round brush them, and I also like putting them to the side, so the length is allowing me to do that. This is the best way how to style the bangs. You just need to divide it into 3 sections. For the middle section, place the round brush underneath and blow dry that section down. And for the side sections, place the round brush vertically and blow dry away. And that's it.